Save this video for your next steak night or maybe steak date kayo. Kasi for me, what I like about this steak is aside from its massive portion and tenderness, it's very beefy, as in not fatty or has the right amount of fat, yet still tender, so you enjoy more of the lean taste of the beef. You might wanna consider Longhorn for your next steak date. So this is the Bistro Group's premier steakhouse. Alam niyo na kung Bistro Group, abang-abang sa mga credit cards niyo. Well, yes, as you can see, the interiors are very Texas-inspired, yet still very elegant, so perfect for dates and very matched din sa food nila. The steak, by the way, that we ordered is the Longhorn, and we asked for a medium doneness, and medium is what we got. And if you prefer yung mas leaner yet still tender and more on the beefy than fatty, this is the perfect steak for you. And I must say, grilled and seasoned to perfection. We also love the baby back ribs that we ordered. As you can see, the ribs very tender. The barbecue sauce is more on the sweeter side, but it's good na meron pa rin akong tang na nalalasahan. Another one we really enjoyed are the grilled shrimp served along with the 2 pieces cowboy pork chops. The pork chops were good naman, seasoned well and tender, but we love more the rustic flavors ng shrimp. For appetizer, our favorite was the grilled chicken and strawberry salad. Good blend of flavors of savory and tartness from the strawberry. And in fairness, may crisp pa talaga yung mismong greens. And medyo weakness ko sa salad yung mga candied nuts. We also enjoyed the firecracker chicken wraps for an appetizer. In fairness, nakapusog to. I just wanted to be spicier kasi firecracker nga siya. Sarap din magpapak nitong Wild West shrimp. Better palalo siya with the dipping sauce. We also got the half-pound steakhouse cheeseburger na actually nakaset siya. Maganda yung pagkakaluto with the burger. For me, medyo nakulangan lang ako sa seasoning. Overall, we were really impressed sa Longhorn Steakhouse. I do think it's the perfect place for family gatherings, and I feel like pasado din siya for romantic dates. Enjoy!